Sora is officially dead. $1 million a day to run, less than 500,000 users, and Disney just pulled their billion-dollar deal. But here's the thing nobody's talking about. The tools that are left, they're actually better for business owners. Let me prove it. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to make professional video ads for your business using Veo 3 and Kling. Two tools that honestly make Sora look overpriced, and I'll show you step by step with no experience needed. So real quick, what happened? OpenAI launched Sora last year with massive hype. Celebrities used it, brands experimented with it, but behind the scenes, it was burning through cash, roughly $1 million a day in compute costs. User numbers peaked at about 1 million and then it dropped to under 500,000. So on March 24th, OpenAI pulled the plug. If you're a business owner who is using Sora or even just thinking about trying AI video, this might feel like bad news. But I actually think it's the opposite, because the two tools I'm about to show you, Google's Veo 3 and Kling 3.0, they're better at making the kind of videos businesses actually need. Just as a quick side note, I make these for clients on the regular, but today I'm showing you exactly how I do it. Today, we're making a restaurant ad and a medspa ad. Here's my prompt, and pay attention to the word choices because they matter. Cinematic close-up of fresh pasta being plated at an upscale Italian restaurant. Warm amber candlelight, shallow depth of field, steam rising from the dish, a chef's hand carefully garnishing with fresh basil. Shot on 35mm film, color graded with warm tones, ambient restaurant sounds, soft conversation, clinking glasses, gentle background music. Before I forget to mention, I'm actually using OpenArt to create these videos. And if you don't know what OpenArt is, it's a third-party platform that gives you access to so many video models as well as image generation models. They just came out with Seedance 2.0, so make sure that you're subscribed because I'm going to be making a video testing it out. So we're going to give that a minute to run. Alright, the video's done. Let's check it out. That looks really good if you ask me. Cinematic tells Veo to use film quality lighting, shallow depth of field, blurs the background so the food pops. 35mm film gives it that warm, slightly grainy texture. I mean, that looks pretty good if you ask me. I mean, you can use that for a social media post easily. The hands look perfect and everything. Okay, let's try the same prompt with Kling 3.0. Okay, after 10 minutes of waiting, Kling is finally done. So let's take a look. This actually surprised me because I wasn't expecting it to look this cinematic either. But you can't really go wrong with either Google Veo 3.1 or Kling 3.0. Okay, moving right along. Medspa marketing is a massive industry. We're talking about $24 billion. And the data shows that educational ads now outperform promotional ads for med spas. AI video is perfect for that. And here's a bonus nobody talks about. No real patients means no HIPAA violations. So here's my prompt for Veo 3. Elegant medical spa interior, soft natural lighting streaming through sheer curtains, a modern treatment room with clean white surfaces, subtle greenery, and calming aesthetic. Slow camera pan across the space, ambient spa sounds, gentle water, soft music, shot in 4K. Colorful graded with cool, clinical but inviting tones. Okay, it does look pretty realistic. I wouldn't say that it's really inviting. It has cool tones to it, not really any warm tones, but this looks like a real video. Let me know what you think in the comments. That tone looks like a real high-end med spa, a place you would trust your face with, right? Okay, same prompt, but this time we're using Kling 3.0. Okay, there's a few things that I'm noticing right here. It looks like this water is just floating, I guess how you would describe it. There's no seal right here, so this doesn't look too realistic. And the fact that this whole table right here is in the middle of what looks like a bathtub, a giant bathtub, or a mini pool, however you want to describe it, it just looks unnatural. But as far as the lighting, everything looks perfect. I would suggest using Veo 3 when you need cinematic quality, built-in audio, a hero video for your website or YouTube. Use Kling when you need volume, consistency, people in your videos, or daily social content. Now you can use both together for a full ad campaign. Veo for hero shots, Kling for supporting content. Here's everything we made today. Veo restaurant ad, cinematic, warm, makes you feel hungry just watching it. Kling restaurant ad, authentic, natural, scroll stopper for social media. Veo med spa environment, clean, professional, builds trust instantly. Now as far as the Kling med spa video, it did lack a little bit of realism, showing you that table that was inside of a bathtub or whatever it was. But other than that, everything else looked pretty good. So here's the bottom line. Sora's gone, and honestly, good. because it was expensive, inconsistent, and you couldn't generate videos with realistic looking people in it. What you have now, Veo 3 and Kling, is a better combination for anyone who needs real marketing content. Now, if you're a business owner and this seems like more than you want to handle, that's fine. I do this for clients every single week. If you want to book a call with me, my link to my calendar is in the description. But if you want to DIY it, everything I showed you today, you can do it yourself. Grab the prompts that I used in this video down in the description. It'll save you hours. Seedance 2.0 just released in the United States. If you're not familiar with that model, everybody was talking about all the crazy fight scenes that you can make with celebrities fighting each other, like Jet Li versus Jackie Chan. Well, that model just released in the US. My next video is going to be testing it out. Subscribe so you don't miss it.